Assalamualaikum and hi everyone. We are from IMS560, which is Advanced Database Management System. This is our final project, which is we the task give to develop one system in UITM. The system is about doesn't have any system in UITM. We create the new system to improve any things or any things to easy the staff or student using the website. For example, uh, the title we choose is UITM Futsal Booking System. So we introduce to you guys about UITM Futsal Booking System. Welcome to the UITM Futsal Booking System, to building street skill and spirit, and start now. This is our group members, which is this is me. My name is Muhammad Akmal Haikal bin Abdul Rasid, and the matric number is 202524440658, and my member is Muhammad Amin Izzat bin Hisham. The matric number is 2024222768. Next, go to introduction. My topic is UITM Futsal Booking System. UITM create this system. We are create UITM this system to improve how futsal courses are booked. Instead of using manual forms or calls, student and staff can now book online. Using manual form or calls, this is a fast system, which is student or staff want to book the court, futsal court, must to fill the manual form or call the staff. This is very hard to student and staff. For example, easy to double booking, or we don't know where the time available, because we must to call first and fill the manual form. Is it full? We cannot use the code. We create this system to make the process faster, more organized, and easier for everyone. We see the staff and student now. Now, go to our website, which is UITM Futsal Booking Portal. And now, welcome to the UITM Futsal Booking Portal. You guys can see have book a card now and view all cards. Now, this display about easily book futsal court at University Technology Mara. Check card availability, manage your bookings, and keep track of your sport activities. Use the navigation above to explore course, make a new booking, or view your existing reservation. For the first time or for new registration, the staff or student must registration at student. This is add new student page, which is the staff and student must to fill up all the column and fill the full name, matric numbers, contact numbers, and lastly email. After that, and click add student. For example, before that, this is for new registration. If the student or staff have have using this system before that, they don't have to register yet. Because of that, this is double book, or the database, the student database have already record. For example, I've already used this website, and you guys can see this appear failed to a student. Because of that, matric number might already exist or a database error occur. This means my name is already in database, so no need to registration. For new registration, I show to you guys. fill up the column. I pick the randomly name Ahmad Albab and the magic numbers and contact number. Okay, and after fill up the column and click add the student. Okay, this appears student add successfully. This means the name of Ahmad Albab already exists to the system. Now go to the home and click book a card now. If you want to see the code, click the home button back. View all code first. It have two available code. Two available code, which is Futsal code 1 and Futsal code 2. And you can see the location. This location also. For code 2, have indoor code suitable for all weather. You also can play in night. Okay. After see the available Futsal code, click button home. Back a code. Book a code now. Okay. This a book a Futsal code page. This page have a select student for booking, select date, available time slot, and lastly select code. The select student that we are registration and pick your name. For example, Ahmad Albab, right? Also select the date. I choose Friday 18 and select code. I choose full code 1. You can see at available time have red and this silver. This means red is already booked and this is available time slot. So for new book, must click this button because of 9 to 10 already have the book. So click the 10 to 11 time slot. Okay, next click the book selected slot. Now your booking is already exit to the database. This is my Futsal booking page. Also, this appear booking complete successful. This means your booking is already here. You can see Ahmad Albab. Yes, this booking ID B009. Yes, you can see your name, student code, date, time, and also the status is confirmed. Okay, this is page that database is exist already booking. So you guys can see which time that available. From that you can see the time that you want not available. From that and choose the add book code ni, choose the free time available lah. Yeah. So this is my website. I hope you guys enjoy, and this is very easy to use and mobile friendly. You can use using tablet, phone, or laptop. Many students bring handphone, and you guys while to go futsal court. Before that, you can book the futsal booking by using the handphone. That's all for me, and next to my pet friends.
Hi, Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan selamat sejahtera. My name is Muhammad Rizal bin Aisha, and today I will explain about the database system that we built for our futsal booking system, Uitm. So here is our entities. So before I start with explaining my database, I will talk about that we use the php.myadmin as our software to build the database. The reason we choose this is because it is easy to use. So let's go let's go explore our database. So here is our entities with our table, which is we for four existing entities. First is booking, second is court, third is student, and last is time slot. Okay, that's for the entities. Let's go see the structure of our entities. So right here, we for the booking, we use a booking ID as our primary key, and student ID, code ID, and time slot ID as our foreign key. Right here, so as you can see, the golden one is primary, and the silver one is foreign key. So, and under it, such as booking date, status, booking timestamp, this three is our index, composite index. Okay, let's go move to the next table, which is this is a code table. So for the code table, we just make two table for the code. So first is code ID, which is this two is a different type of code ID. It cannot be sent because if it sent, it will show an error here. As you can see, that is only basic knowledge. So okay, let's go move with our structure. Right here, here is our structure, which is the code ID is our primary key, and the third, and these three is our composite index, which is code name, location, and description. So no, okay. Next, so next is student. So here is the student that has been registered from our website. So our website has an option which is add student. So add student, you can add your number. It seems like register, but it is different because you don't need to register to make or log in to make a booking. So let's move to our structure. So right here, student ID. Student ID is our primary key, and these four, which is name, matric number, contact number, and email, is our composite index. Okay, let's move to the last table, which is this is the most crucial table that is important to make the time for student to book is available. So to make this table, no, to make the time slot for the student to book the code, it is do manually by the unit spot or someone who is responsible to make sure the time is available, which is our time is not using not using an automatic time, which is if student key in the time and the time they want to book, it can clash, but we use a manual key in, which is we will put the time that available, so the student need to choose only that time. They cannot choose the other time that is not available. So it is to avoid the clash between student to pick the time for booking the table. So next, let's move to the structure. So here is our structure, which is first we use time slot ID as our primary key and code ID as our foreign key, and these four, which is date, start time, and is available, which is the availability of the code, which is it has been booked or not. So this four we use as a composite key, and not composite key, it is composite index. Okay, that's only for the database. Next, let's go to the database for the entities, which is ERD, entities relation diagram. So here is our ERD, which is the bridge is our booking, and the other entities that use to connect to the bridge is such as student, time slot, and code. So as you can see, here is our ERD. So let's go to the what kind of relation it has. So this is the relation of table that we create. which is what is our relation type and from entities and to entities, and their description, which is what is it. So right here, one to many, which is student to booking. So the description is a student can only make one booking. Next is one time, one to many. So one to many, which is from code to booking, which is a code can have many booking. So next is one to many two, which is code and time slot. So code and time slot. So a code can have many time slot. And lastly is one to one, which is one time slot to one booking. So this is I will explain it further because it can be one to many or one to one, depend on the explanation. So the reason this is one to one is because one time slot, which is can consist only one booking, because the time slot cannot be booked a lot of time, because such as, so you book from 9 to 10, so it can only available for one booking to have 9 to 10 only. So if we see on the one to many, so one slot can book many booking. It is wrong because the time will flash, not the time, the other student will clash with the time slot that booking for the time that they want, such as this booking. So here is a booking A, which is they book code number one, and here is a number 2%, which is they book also for code number one. So they book same time, so the time will clash with each other. That's why it need to be one to one. Okay, that's only for me. Thank you.